Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and this week I've got a keyhole marking tool, an air compressor hose, and a really useful roll of grip tape. Let's check them out. Here we have Cat Tongue Grips grip tape. Now it'll stick to just about any surface and instantly make it a non-slip surface. Now I've used it for rakes and brooms and shovels. I've put it on my dash so that things don't slide around when I'm making turns. And I've put it on the bottom of toolboxes so they don't slide around in the back of my truck. It's a really great roll of tape. It's nice and sticky and it's waterproof. Like I said, it'll stick to anything. You get a 10-foot roll that's 2 inches wide for about 20 bucks. You can find them on Amazon or at cattonguegrips.com. Remember, Cat Tongue Grips grip tape. Here we have AccuMount Tools Keyhole Marking Set. Now it's a great tool for those who are sick and tired of dealing with keyholes, making sure the distance between them is right, making sure that they are level when you're trying to hang power strips or picture frames. This really takes the measurement and the guesswork out of it. You put the markers in the keyholes, you put your picture frame against the wall, it makes a stamp, you drill your hole, and really that's it. You can find these at AccuMountTools.com and at Amazon for about 20 bucks for a set. That is the AccuMount Tools Keyhole Marking Set. Here we have Rigid's Lay Flat Air Hose. Now this is going to be better than your typical air hose in that it is made of fabric. Now some few things that helps us with is that it lays flat, it's really flexible, and it has virtually no memory. So when you're using it, it won't curl up, and when you're done with your job, you can coil it up, no problem. It also lets us go around corners, and if it goes around a corner on some nice new trim that you've laid, it won't mar it up. A few other things that this thing has is these nice big handles on them here, so it's easy to connect them to your gun. It's also got these turning nozzles here so that when you do use it, when you're rotating your gun, it won't curl up as well. Now, Rigid sells these at Home Depot. You can find them on Amazon. For a 50-foot hose, they're about $45. That is the Rigid Lay Flat Air Hose. So there you have it. We have the AccuMount Keyhole Marker, we have Rigid's Lay Flat Air Hose, and Cat Tongue Grips grip tape. We love them, and we know that you will too. So check us out again next time on Stuff We Love.